Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to continue our Foodimentary series, and since today is September 21st, we will be making pecan cookies because it's Pecan Cookie Day. Yes. So a little bit of feedback about the pecan. It's really derived from the South, and one cool thing about the pecan, people would actually make different desserts and treats, and especially pecan cookies, and give them as gifts. And when they did that, it was because it was a symbol of peace and prosperity. So it will be like a blessing when they give them a pecan dessert. And I thought that was kind of cool. So today I'll bless you with our favorite cookie that is on our website, and it's the butter pecan cookie. So I'll link it below so that you can make it yourself, just in case I skip a beat. So far we have in this bowl half a cup of erythritol, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of almond flour, and I get my almond flour from Costco or Amazon, and 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Okay guys, we're going to get that all whisked together. Oh, and a 1/8 teaspoon of that salt. Just to give it, salt brings out the flavor and things. So you gotta always add salt to even baked goods and sweets, okay? So we're gonna whisk that all together. And I got our recipe here from our website up. But always guys, check out the website. Get that all whisked up. You wanna get it all well incorporated because you don't want any clumps in there. And almond flour tends to clump up, so you wanna make sure that you get that nice and blended. Right. Go. Okay. So, let me put the book down here. In this cup I have a half a cup or 1 stick of butter. And I got that slightly melted so that it can still have a little bit of form to it. I'll put that in there. I also soften some cream cheese, so this is about 4 ounces of cream cheese. So basically about 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Get that in there as well. So guys, have you ever made pecan cookies before? Do you like pecan cookies, This is, let's see what the recipe says, about 10 to 12 drops of liquid stevia. So I buy the liquid stevia online on Amazon because it's slightly cheaper online on Amazon, because if you go to any health food store, it's a little bit of a markup. So definitely go on Amazon. And this one is called Better Stevia by Now brand. So it's really good. So we're going to do about 10 drops. And you can also go to taste. If you want it a little bit sweeter, that's fine as well. Get that in there. Let's kind of get that stirred up a bit. Okay, let's see. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And vanilla always makes things just taste so, I don't know, just so dessert-like, I guess I could say. You could do like 1 teaspoon. You can do a little more if you like as well. And you're gonna get that all creamed together. All right. So once you get it nice and creamed together, you get kind of like a doughy, cookie dough. And if you notice, guys, I didn't use any egg. So this is an egg-free cookie dough. But it'll be so nice. And it comes out nice and crispy. So get that nice and stirred. Now what we're gonna do, let me get some of this stuff out the way. We're going to add 1 cup of toasted pecans. So pecan pieces, I usually get pecan halves. I'll put it in the oven, toast them, and then chop them up. So 1 cup of those, and you want to fold those in last. So get that nice and folded in. It smells so delicious. It smells buttery. This is making me hungry. Yum. Alright guys, get that all incorporated. And you got you a nice dough. Be sure to put your oven at 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with some parchment paper, or of course you guys already know I love using the silicone pads, of course, so that works really well. Let me get this stuff out the way. And we're going to make 20 to 22 cookies with this. And you're gonna bake it for about, I'd say about 12 minutes and then check on them. And depending on how crispy you want your cookies. And of course, our trusty scoop. And that one is a cookie scoop. Usually I use my ice cream scoop all the time, but that one's a cookie scoop. But you could use an ice cream scoop. It would be some huge cookies, but you can give that a try as well. So all that is nicely blended. In each scoop, you want to make sure, I mean, you can't help but get enough of the pecans in them. But we're going to do about, let's try 20 scoops. Okay, so I got 15 cookies on here right now. I'll finish up the rest later, but it does make about 20 to 22 cookies. So now that you have your mounds here, you want to take each cookie, make sure it's all even, and you want to press it down some and shape them into round cookies. They won't spread a lot, but they will kind of like, you know, push them about half an inch shaped, about half an inch high. So let's do that. Okay, so we have our last one. Press down, and they're gonna look nice and rustic because you want that, just that nice rustic look, and just makes it look more old-fashioned. Like, I like rustic looking things, so yeah. So this is what they look like. Press down. All right, about a half an inch. So what I'm gonna do is put these in the oven, 350 degrees. I'll put them on about 12 minutes, check on them, could be like 10 to 12 minutes. And just always keep an eye on your baked goods, guys, because different ovens vary and different ingredients sometimes cook things a little bit faster. So put these in the oven and I'll be right back, okay? All right. All right, guys, so the cookies are done. They smell amazing. Let me just try one. Trying to figure out which one I want, because you know I always gotta choose the biggest and the best. But look at this. I just want to show you how they look. Gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice golden brown. Delicious. So let's give one a try. I got a plate here, but who has time for a plate, really? Look at that, guys. So that's why I like. These are so buttery. Tastes like butter pecan cookies, that's for sure. They're buttery, they're tender on the inside, and they have that little crunch on the outside, guys. And what I did was with the pecans, I pre-toasted them, which give it that really depth of toasty deliciousness flavor inside. These are definitely keto friendly, but don't even taste like it. It tastes delicious. So, it's so good. Anyway, if I can continue eating, if you like this video, hit the like button and also give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, be a part of the family so you can continue to get these videos and get all the delicious recipes, guys. Hit the bell so those notifications can come in on your YouTube box. YouTube box. Yeah. Notifications. You know what I mean, guys. Anyway, so I love you guys. Thank you so much. And God bless you. And I hope you're having a wonderful week. See you soon. Bye, guys.